gonna animate this text, and we will be not using JavaScript or any other frameworks for this video, or we can say for this animation. So this animation is purely done in CSS. So without wasting time, let's begin. And before beginning our coding part, let us discuss something very interesting today, because I found something that is amazing. This GitHub student pack. Basically, GitHub has created a student developer pack for students so that they can learn the pro versions of each and every pack, or we can say for each and every software, so that they can get some good infos, and basically so that they can use stuff that are very expensive, like Bootstrap Studio or Data Camp or 1 month. They can also have their own hosting name and domain with the help of Namecheap and name.com, and they can just make things like pro, and they can basically learn things by doing, because these are some costly things, and many of us can't afford it, and can't just work with the pro versions, because we need to pay for it. So they have just created a whole pack, and it has lot of things which you can try, and using which you can create many cool stuff. So this that I found, and I thought of sharing with you guys. So let us close this and let us move to Visual Studio Code and start coding. So this is my HTML file which has some boiler code, and I have given text animation title to my web page. Then I have linked style.css file with the help of link tag to my HTML file, and then we have created one div with class container, and it has two spans, one with class text1 and the other one with class text2. And text1 has a there is a means text code are creatives, and text2 has a text subscribe now. So if you have not subscribed this channel till now, then click on the red icon and subscribe this right now. So after creating index.html file, let us open our CSS file and give some basic styles to our HTML file and make it look creative. So basically we will be first of all removing all the margins and paddings that are given by our browser to us. So we will be saying margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. After doing this, we will be giving our body a background color, so it will be background color, and it has a value of 29. Okay, 2429, basically 24293A. So after giving background color, we will be giving the same color to the text for now. So we will be saying this text is equals to same color as my background, and then we will be giving styles to my container. But before giving styles to container, let's save this file and open our index.html file with the help of live server. So this is a blank page right now. You are not able to see this text because it has the same color as my background. So let us keep this and close other files, and let us open our Visual Studio Code again. So right now we want to bring this text in the center, and we want to change the styling. So for that I will be saying contain container, and we will be giving here a position of absolute, and it will be having a top margin of 50%, then left margin of 50%, then we will be having here a transform of translate 50% comma 50%. So after okay, this should be minus 50% comma minus 50%. So after this, let us see our web page again. Now my text, this text is okay. Yeah, this is in the middle. So first of all, let us change the colors of our text. So this is text 1, and let us give this a color, and it should be having a color of RGB, and we have this 240, and then this green has a value of 236, and same the blue 36. So we have a shade of white over here. Now let us give color to our text 2, which is subscribe now, and this has a color of RGB basically, and this is also, this color is in shade of red. So we will be saying 224 comma 101 comma 101. Now let us see this. Yeah, now we want this both text to be in different lines, so that we can do with the help of display block and block, and we will be selecting this span, and we will be giving here a text align center. So okay, we also need to give this width of 100%, and after doing this we will be okay, this display block will be given to our span, because we know that span has a display of inline. So it don't covers the whole line, it just covers the portion which it requires. So to cover the whole line, we will be giving this a display of block. So after saying, we will be having our two text one after another. So after doing this, let us give some styling to our text. So this will be like font family sans serif. Then let us give this a font weight of 800, and then we can provide our text some size. So font size of suppose 4 rem, and yeah, our text 2 will be having a font size of 2 rem. So we have this thing, and now we have to style our text. So let's style the text one background and give this relative, so that we can hide our text too. Let's see how we can do that. So this will be having a background with the same color as our body. So we will be pasting this over here, and we will be giving this a position of relative, and this and here we will be giving this a transition all of 2 second. Okay, control Z, yeah, 2 second. And after doing this, we can also give this a text transform. So text transform, and we can just capitalize our text. So okay, it is not working. Why? Okay, there might be some issue in this, so let us select this, and okay, this should be uppercase. Sorry, my bad. So now we can see that it is Coda Creative Subscribe now is completely styled out. Now let's start giving this some animation. So for that I will be giving here a letter spacing of 8 pixels. Okay, it should be 8 pixels, and here I will be giving this a margin bottom of 20 pixel. So let us remove this for a while, and yeah, let us give this a minus 50 pixels so that I can show you the change. Now you can see that my code are creatives is above subscribe now. So if I want my subscribe now to showcase that it is coming from inside, and to give this some animation, I want this both things. I want this background and I want this margin bottom, so that we can manipulate and give animation effect to our text. So after doing this, let us give this an animation. Animation, and let us give this a name and the speed of animation. Okay, so it's 2 seconds. Fine. Now let us create our motion. So this will be at the rate keyframes, name of the animation, and then it should be from 0 second to 0% to 40% to 80%. Cool. Now you might be thinking that why we didn't complete it till 100%, because we want it is starting from initial, then it is going to 0%, then it is coming to 40%, then it is coming to 80%, and then again it is going to its initial position. So it will be from 80 to initial. That's why we have not given this 100% value. So here we will be having a transform. We will be saying skew 0 comma 0, and we will be having here letter spacing of 15 pixels, or we can give this 30 pixels, and then it will be having a margin bottom should be minus 50 per pixels, so that my text get hidden. My subscribe now text should be hidden. Now I will be pasting this for 40% and for 80%, and here we will be giving this. Okay, this will be not 0, it will be like 4 degree and till 5 degree. And yeah, okay, what I am doing, yeah, so we will be just copying this and pasting it over here, and this must be degree. Wow, now we can see our animation completely. Now you can see that we are having a scroll bar which we don't want, so we can hide it you giving body overflow value hidden. Now it will be smoothly coming. So this is for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new with this animation, and so you can experiment with your text, giving them different kind of animation and just seeing the cool effects this CSS has to give us, so that we can use these animations for our projects and make it creative. So stay tuned with Coda Creatives by subscribing this channel. Till then, bye guys.